Welcome to the lesson which we will discuss the stretch command with crossing polygon option of select objects. Stretch command is a little bit unique command comparing to the other modifying commands because it asks the user to select objects using either crossing or crossing polygon. And we will see a case that we cannot use crossing. We have to use crossing polygon. We'll start the command, go to the Home tab, then Modify Panel, and choose Stretch Command. When we start Stretch Command, we will read below the following. Select objects to stretch by crossing window or crossing polygon, and then stretch select objects. So if we went on and we just simply do this, as you can see, the two circles is fully contained inside, and that's what we want. We want to shorten these two lines down a little bit with almost 2 units. But the crossing is touching as well the arc, which we don't want to. So we will cancel this because the crossing didn't serve what we want. So what we will say, we will say crossing polygon, CP, and then we'll press enter. And now we'll switch off the object snap so it will not actually bother us, and we will start specifying points. As stretch command is asking us to select using crossing polygon only or crossing, it actually uses the two features of crossing polygon, which is containing objects and crossing objects. If the crossing polygon or crossing window is containing objects, these objects will be moving. But if you cross the objects, these objects will be stretched, whether positively or negatively. As you can see right now, we are avoiding to select the arc. So what we are doing is the right thing. That's what we want exactly. So we'll press enter to end the crossing polygon, and you can watch down that it still says select objects, and then we will press enter. Now we'll specify a base point. Base point concept is a very familiar concept when we use commands like move, copy, rotate, scale, even when we use mirror command. We will select this, so switch on the object snap and switch this, and then we will go down. Make sure that the command or the option polar tracking is on, so you'll make sure that you are doing a horizontal or vertical movement. We'll go down a little bit and we will select to use 10 units down. We'll press 10 and then we'll press enter. That's it for stretch command and crossing polygon. Thank you very much.